si mami, si daddy, si kuya, si ate. Di ba po? This is the potential income. 50,400 a day. 352,200 a week. And 1.4 million a month potential income if you have again, multiple accounts can maximize your income potential from FNB only. Factor max bonus only. Ang good news, as I said, ito po yan, yung monthly natin. This is what we call unilevel patong dip. Ibig sabihin, yung sobra po ng points mo na in-enjoy mo weekly, pumapalo sa monthly. Okay po? Without knowing, grabe, lumalim ang tao mo hanggang 12 level. Ang good news, this is the computation. Sample computation. From you, you get 3. And that 3, getting 3 also, up to 12 level. You know how much the potential income? 3.4 million a month. And this is just a monthly bonus from Pato Company. Grabe na to! Okay ba?
Amazing.
Okay, amazing nga. Ngayon po, we are just requiring the partner. From the monthly bonus, we are just requiring the partner to have the maintenance. 2 boxes of vitamin C monthly to get your rebates up to 12 level. Bagaan po ba yun?
Magaan.
And that is fair. Para po naman sa safety net ng ating company. And of course, this is your business. To tell you, kapag kumita ka at kumita ang company, mukhang mas masaya. Yan ang gusto ng patong. Di ba? Kaya ang motto ng patong, di ba? Kung masaya ka, masaya tayo. Okay. Ngayon, kung ikaw na lang ang sumaya at ang company hindi na masaya, baka later on hindi na tayo maging masaya. Kaya magtulungan po tayo para tayo sumaya. With that, ang handog ng Pinoy sa kapwa Pinoy, from Patong Total Wellness and Good Life, hanap buhay, magkabahay, at pampahaba ng buhay. Okay po? So, if you choose, di ba, kung nakapili ka na, you decide. Ang responsibility ko po, ipakita lang po ang opportunity. Hindi ko po kayo kailangan i-convince. Okay po? Pwede mong gawin, pwede hindi. Pero take note, gaano po man kagaling mag-present, as long as hindi ka mag-commit, wala pong mangyari 100%. Tanong sinabi ko. Papangyari ka ng ito sa magitan ng tulong mo at tulong ng company. That's why you are the Pato partner. Or you are the Pato business partner. So kung wala ka na pong you can get started today from this company. Congratulations. Okay. So ngayon po, meron na po akong isi-share ng konti. Take note. The road to success is always under construction. Iniwala niyo ba kayo? Yes. It is always under construction. Lagi sinasabi na, business na naman. But take note. Ulitin ko, wala sino man ang mag-convince sa sarili mo, kundi ikaw lang. Do not share this business unless you are not yet fully convinced. Okay po? Don't convince others unless you are not. Ngayon, keep the never complain attitude. Pag-isipan niyo po ito yung mabuti. What if A, B, C, D, E, and Z is represented as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hanggang 26 o 100? Okay po? Ito yan. Keep the never complain attitude. Attitude. Diyan po, yung A represent as 1. Okay po? T, 20. Alam niyo po? Amazing. That is 100% attitude. Kaya nga pag sinabi, yung taong yan may attitude. Iba yun. Okay po? Next, gratitude. Saan ka manghihingi ng gratitude? G represent as 7. R, 18. A, 1. Hanggang yan po sa E, 5. That is 105% gratitude. Okay po? Pasalamat palagi. Never complain. Thanks God, I'm still alive. I'm still grateful compared with others. The strength that coming from Him, maniwala ka. Don't believe on your own strength. Believe from the strength behind. Okay po. Next po is, look, the never complain Never complain. Yan po. Kinumpit ko yan. That is 147%. Grabe, no? Never complain. Walang bigas. Meron din yan. Huwag mo awayin. Di po, magkakaroon din yan. This is the opportunity that you have now. Okay po? So ngayon, di ba? Ask yourself. Okay po? Yan. If you ask yourself, di po, skills mo 95%, knowledge 100%, take note. Kapag zero activity, ikaw na, 95%, di po, knowledge 100%. Ang galing mo. Ang knowledge mo, grabe, galing talaga, di ba? 100 times 95, that is 9 times 500. Times 0. Wala kang activity. Resulting with that, 0. Believe me. Activity. Again, it is came from the book of wisdom, from the Bible, Matthew 7:7. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and it will be opened to you. Okay po? Matthew 7:8. For everyone who asks receives, and he who seeks finds, and to him who knocks it will be opened. And last thing, focus on atom. Pag may nakita ka, 200, huwag mong kalimutan si Mr. and Mrs. Magta. Kaya nga may kapwa, di ba? Sino yan? Magtanong. Okay po? Pag hindi ka paniniwala sa kanya, ask. Kung ikaw yan, nandito ka ba? Ito maganda, ito maganda, ito maganda, ito maganda. Nandito ka. Okay po? You cannot chase both rabbits in a time. Both will escape. Okay po? Take note. If you are that person, ask from the Holy Spirit. I tell you, this is true. And the Holy Spirit will come down and tell you the truth. Pumunta ka sa patong. Tingnan mo? Okay. Paglakad siya. And take note, with that kind of attitude, makarating ka sa parurungan mo. Okay? So with that, thank you very much. Money when you sleep. Destiny is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of choice. Choose. Atum. Okay po? Yan. Thank you very much.